Okay, so these are going to be your answers for lesson 60, page 96. So I'm just going to do one of each since they do both of these in each clef. I also forgot to mention to you how to name them, which is the same as in major keys. So if we are in E minor, to figure out our relative major, we're going to go up a minor third. So I'm just going to make this interval so I could figure out my major key for the key signature. So here's E, I'm going to go up a third. I need to make it a minor third. In the key of E, G should be sharped, but I want it minor, so I'm going to leave it as is. So it puts me in the key of G. But my one chord has to start on E. So here's my one chord, E, G, and B. My four chord is going to be A, C, and E. I don't have to add any accidentals, but my five chord starts on C. Oh, why am I wrong here? Oh, starts on B. Sorry, I'm in the wrong. All of a sudden I'm like looking at a different example, sorry. Starts on B. And now I do have to make it major minor because it is a dominant, it's a big five. So here I go. In the key of B, D should be sharped. Okay? And then in the key of D sharp, which there isn't one, but I know if I look on my keyboard from D sharp to F, D sharp, 1, 2, 3. So I know it's a minor third. All right, let's go to the next one. Oh, F sharp, that's why. I knew I was messing up. So I know I don't have to do anything because I've got four distance. So picture on your keyboard F sharp, or D sharp, so that's one black key. Then E, F, F sharp, that's four notes. You've got four notes that make up a minor or a minor third. That's how I do it. I do it by counting distance on the keyboard. Okay, so that's right there. Now let's do the next one, D minor. So D minor, I've got to build the triad again. Here's D to F. In the key of D, F should be sharped, but we want it minor, so it's just plain old F, which gives me one flat, but I'm gonna start it on D. Remember, I have to start my one chord on D. I'm gonna start it really low so I don't have to deal with ledger lines. So D, F, A, G, B flat, D. Now remember, you don't have to do anything. Then here's A, C, and E. And this has to be major minor. So in the key of A, C should be sharp to make it major. Well, we better sharp it. And in the key of C sharp, E should be sharp to make it major. But we want it minor, so we're going to leave that natural. You can also count the distance. C sharp, D, D sharp, E. That's four notes in between, which makes a minor interval. And then, of course, these are the same in treble or bass clef. All right.